get ourselves the Samsung S25 FE. Let's go ahead and do the unboxing here. Let's get the top section here ripped open. Let's get the bottom section here ripped open. And now we just reveal what's on the inside here. Lovely, lovely phone here, Samsung S25 FE. I can already tell that this one is bigger than the S25 here. We'll do a small comparison after. But we have the phone right here. So let's push this off to the right here. Let's see what else we have in the box. We have the information booklet right here. We have the USB-C to USB-C charging cable, and looks like that is pretty much it. Oh, yep, forgot. And then last but not least, we do have the SIM extraction tool here. And just like that, we now have everything here that comes with the Samsung S25 FE. So you have the SIM extraction tool, the USB-C to USB-C cable. Looks like this is the quick start guide here. And then last but not least, we do have the lovely Samsung S25 FE phone.